Hello?
Hey man, what you doing? Hard at work?
Uh, yeah, that's, that's what I'm doing.
Well, how'd you feel about coming over for dinner tonight?
Well, I'm a vegan, so,
Oh, that's okay. I'm a vegan too.
Really?
Yeah, come on over.
Okay.
Hey man,
Hey!
come on in. My uncle's rich now, so
Really?
yeah, it's pretty cool. He
Kevin?
bought, yeah, Kevin, yeah,
Kevin. Nice.
yeah, he bought a wife.
Bought a wife.
Yeah, from Portugal actually.
Portugal. Good for him. He was an ugly dude.
Yeah, I mean, he had to buy a wife. It's the only
Yeah,
option.
good. It's just the only way out. Super.
Hey, you see that bird up there?
Oh, dude, those things are awesome. Fun fact about those birds. Dude!
What?
I thought you were vegan!
I am a vegan.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You just shot a bird.
No, I'm a vegan.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
No, dude, like a vegan. Yeah, a vegan.